the most common question that we get, most frequently asked question, is always about the price. Tell me about the price. Well, there's so many variables because there's so many different options. And whether you're looking for a single joystick or a double joystick, of course, most commonly in the US, most people opt for the double joystick. But then on top of that, which cutter do you want? We've got two different front cutters, that go down as more traditional that you see in this video here. We've also got a side cutter. Now, what you also might want to know is if you're looking to add a dredge to it, or if you're looking for the excavator arm. And then once we go to the excavator arm, there's a question of what size bucket do you need with it. And almost everybody's going to get it with the collecting rake, so that's fairly common. But then on top of that, do you need a trailer or don't you need a trailer? Many different questions exist as we try to provide the right price for you based on what your needs are, as well as shipping to your location. And by the way, we do ship throughout the world.